what a night. The setting sun out to the west creating a lot of beautiful colors off the base of some high clouds and even some contrails from aircraft as we close out our night. Normally, this is our Weather Kid night thanks to our friends at Luther Family Ford. Swing into Luther Family Ford or log on to valleynewslive.com to sign up to be a Weather Kid today. Oh, let's take a look at these conditions. It's 40 degrees right now after mid-40s here in Fargo. Just felt fabulous outside. We've seen a lot of the snow that was laying on area side streets and sidewalks melting a little bit, and that's pleasant. Northwest winds are about 7 miles per hour. Still 43 at Moorhead's Airport this hour. Take a look at temperatures across the nation. Here's the cool pool we were in. That has shifted off into the Great Lakes, and that's allowed some of this warm up in the Rocky Mountain West from Montana and Wyoming into northern parts of Nebraska to finally push into the Dakotas, bringing us a little relief from this cool fall that we have been experiencing. It's still cool up in northern Minnesota. Badette, you have 27, 28 Cavalier, and the Devil's Lake area 35 degrees. As we look down to the south, still 40 for Fargo Moorhead and temperatures in the mid-30s for Fergus Falls this hour, 43 degrees in Sisseton. Change is coming our way, so this 40-degree day will not be duplicated for your Friday. Take a look at this bank of clouds here. A little bit of cool air out in Canada is going to kind of back its way in here from the north and from the east. So normally our systems come at us from this direction. Tonight, this cold air blob is going to burp out of Canada, kind of back right down into the Red River Valley as we go through the evening. And your hour-by-hour forecast shows it taking place. Just watch this band of clouds here as we set things into motion this evening. They push south. So we're going to have an increase in those high clouds as temperatures slip back into the teens and 20s for most of us by bedtime tonight. After we head to bed, that cold air train just keeps trucking in, with temperatures diving down coldest in north central Minnesota, near 10 degrees to start your day. As we rise and shine in the valley, Grand Forks, Fargo near 20 degrees, a little warmer than that with some areas of patchy fog possible, mainly in our western counties in the James River Valley. Heading through the first hours of our day, it looks sunny across much of the northern valley and parts of Minnesota, while those clouds will kind of park through the central Dakotas as we go through the day. Fargo kind of on the line of that cloud cover, so the first half of our day could certainly be more clouds than sunshine. Looks like those clouds linger throughout the day. We're going to have this southeast or northeasterly wind across the region as this cold air mass kind of backs its way into the area. That's going to take away the warmth that we had today by just a little bit, not a lot. And the wind picks up in earnest as we go into the night hours as that cold air wobbles back to the north and to the east. So kind of sitting on a boundary here over the next couple of days. Tomorrow morning in Fargo, we start out near 20. Temperatures ramp up, but only into the low to mid-30s for your afternoon. Winds easterly or southeasterly at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll see a fair mix of clouds for our day here in the Red River Valley and points west. So temperatures, they may be about 10 degrees cooler than those we experienced today. Unless you're looking into northern Minnesota, they'll be similar or just a couple of degrees cooler, with 23 tomorrow in Roseau, 25 tomorrow in Langdon on your way home from work. In Fergus Falls, 32 degrees. Here's a photo shared with us. Kind of looks like what we saw tonight. Beautiful there on the Leeds Golf Course. Jim, don't know if you were hitting any golf balls out there, but it sure looked nice. Here's your planning forecast. After we get through a little bit of a hiccup in the forecast on Friday, we're back to 40 degrees or so on Saturday for the big Bison game. Cannot rule out some mixed precipitation, some sprinkles/flurries. Likewise, Sunday near 40 degrees. Once again, a breezy day, breezy one through the weekend, meaning a couple extra pumps of hairspray will come in handy. Next week, the 40s stick around for the first couple of days, and then it's back into the cool pool we go.
That's true. Okay, well, you know, that's the way it goes.
It is the way it goes.
Can't do anything about it.
That's what we do.
If we could, we would.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks, Sedge. A blast from